This compact OYAYO 7-pad electronic drum set packs the core pieces of a small kit, including toms, snare, cymbals, and 2 pedals, into a flexible roll-up pad that is easy for children or beginners to handle and store. The built-in rechargeable battery offers several hours of cordless play, so young drummers can practice in different rooms or even outside without hunting for a power outlet. A dedicated headphone connection lets players immerse themselves in the drum sounds while keeping the noise down for family members and neighbors. Dual integrated speakers deliver surprisingly full sound with adjustable volume, giving kids an immediate sense of impact without needing extra equipment. The responsive pads and foot pedals provide a more realistic feel than toy drums, helping beginners develop timing and coordination that will transfer to a full acoustic or larger electronic kit. Standard MIDI and USB connectivity make it possible to hook this practice pad into a computer for recording, simple music production, or rhythm-based games, which keeps practice fun and engaging.